Larson Electronics CL1B-RCM Class 1 Rechargeable LED Beacon is designed for maximum flexibility in outdoor environments. Powering the LED luminary is an 8,800 mAh lithium-ion battery, providing a runtime of 36 hours per charge. Operators may mount the light on any ferrous metallic surface using a 200-pound grip magnetic base at the bottom of the unit. This beacon is equipped with auxiliary LEDs on top, helping to make this a Class 1 rated beacon. The unit features 30 different strobing patterns and offers alternate or simultaneous flash patterns with up to 8 connected LED beacons. Providing 1,440 lumens of illumination, the light beams can be seen from extended distances. The housing is waterproof, shock-resistant, and built for reliable and durable operation. Available in a choice of white, green, blue, amber, or red colors, this strobing beacon is supported by rechargeable power cells and a magnetic mounting system. Applications include emergency services, farming, law enforcement, military, industrial facilities, and more. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.